Hi, I'm Danny with Danny Foursquare. Today I'm going to show you how to fit these countertops. To remove most of the material, I'm going to use my circular saw here. I just put a brand new blade on it with a lot of teeth, so that should be good. I think it's 40 teeth. So that's what I'm going to do for most of this, and then after that I'm going to hit it with the belt sander and working up to that line. So hopefully I don't screw this up.
If you can see it, but from here you can really tell how wavy that line is. Look how wavy that wall is.
Thanks for watching. I did lose a little bit of footage since I started filming this about 9 months ago. I guess that's to be expected. Now what I started with was two 8-foot sections of maple butcher block. Then I tried to customize them to work for what I needed. For instance, I added two bump outs like this because my stove sits out further than the countertops and I wanted there to be a nice flow in between the two. That's also why I added these in a previous video. I'll link to that below. Now over here where the two pieces of countertop meet, I opted for a butt joint rather than a miter joint. With the links that I had, I would have had to buy an additional section of countertop and I just didn't see the upside of that. Now for this project I had to use a lot of tools. The two that I thought were the most useful were, one, the CNC for cutting out the template for this sink hole because it turned out perfect. You don't have to use a CNC, you can easily do that with a jigsaw and a Forstner bit as well. The second tool I bought specifically for this project. This is a handheld oscillating spindle sander. This one can be used clamped down like this, or how I used it like this. And this was great because I didn't have to worry about then rounding anything over when I was sanding the edges. I knew I'd be doing more countertops, so I thought this was a very good investment. I'll have a link to this and some other tools below. As always, I learned a ton on this project. If you enjoy watching this journey, please like, subscribe, and hit that little bell for notifications. Thank you very much for watching. I mean, don't get me wrong, you can like, subscribe, and share if you hate the video too. I'm fine with that.